Your entryway is the first thing people see, and mine was honestly a disaster zone of keys, mail, and clutter. So I bought the top 5 entryway floating shelves on Amazon to see which ones actually hold up and look good. I tested them for sturdiness, ease of installation, and style. Here are the best shelves to organize your space. Product number 1, QEIG Floating Shelves Rustic Brown. Starting with the QEIG Rustic Brown set. When I first unpacked these, I noticed they aren't solid wood, it's MDF, but the finish is surprisingly convincing and feels durable. The standout feature here is definitely the depth. At nearly 7 inches deep, I could actually fit a small basket for mail or even a bulky plant, which isn't always the case with shallow floating shelves. I tested this by stacking some heavy hardcover books on it, and that angle prevented the shelf from sagging, keeping everything perfectly level. It holds about 25 pounds, which is plenty for typical entryway decor. Installation took me about 10 minutes alone since the instructions were clear. If you need that extra depth for practical storage rather than just hanging a few picture frames, this is a really solid pick to start with. Product number 2, Hamod Wall Hooks with Shelf. If you need to hang stuff, not just display it, the Hamod Wall Hook Shelf was the most practical one I tested. It mixes a rustic wood shelf with a rigid black iron frame. It feels much heavier and sturdier than the standard floating designs because of that metal structure. I hung my heavy winter coat and a backpack on the hooks while tossing my keys and phone on the top shelf, and it didn't budge. The shelf itself is a bit shallower, around 4.5 inches, so it doesn't stick out too far in a tight hallway. It's perfect for creating a mini drop zone for your family where everything has a place. It's distinct because of that industrial look. If you're tired of coats on the floor and constantly losing your keys, I'd grab this one over a standard shelf. Product number 3, White Floating Shelves Set of 3. Sometimes you just want the shelf to disappear and let the decor do the talking. That's where this set of white floating shelves came in. Taking them out of the box, the finish was smooth and clean. I put these up on a lighter wall, and the floating effect is excellent because the brackets are completely hidden behind the unit. They claim high load-bearing capacity, so I tested it with a heavy ceramic vase, and it held up fine without wobbling. They are 16 inches long, which is a standard size, but they feel great for utilizing vertical space without visually cluttering the room. The installation guidelines were easy to follow, and they come with all the hardware you need. If you have a modern home or just want a clean, white aesthetic that doesn't clash with your existing paint, these are the way to go. Product number 4, BAYKA Floating Shelves Black. Then I tried the BAYKA shelves in black. These are hugely popular, and once I handled them, I saw why. They are made of engineered wood with a matte finish that looks sharp. What I really appreciated during the setup was that they included a small level tool right in the box. It sounds minor, but it saved me from hunting through my garage to find mine. I mounted these using the provided anchors, and they are rated for 22 pounds. I loaded one up with a dense row of books, and it felt very secure. The protection sealing is a nice touch, so if you come in from the rain and toss wet items on it, you don't have to worry about the wood warping immediately. It's a versatile, no-nonsense option. If you want a modern, minimalist look that's easy to install, this set is a safe bet. Product number 5, BAYKA Floating Shelves Rustic Brown. Finally, I looked at the rustic brown version from BAYKA. While the build is similar to the black set I just mentioned, the vibe is completely different. The wood grain finish gives it that warm farmhouse charm that's really trendy right now. I actually tested this one near a bathroom entryway first, but it works just as well by the front door to unlock wasted wall space. Like its sibling, it holds 22 pounds effortlessly thanks to the reinforced brackets. The 16-inch length is great for organizing small items without crowding the wall. I really liked how the wood tone warms up the room compared to the stark black or white options. Just note that the color might look slightly different depending on your lighting. If you are chasing that cozy, rustic aesthetic, this is definitely the set to pick up. Overall, whether you need heavy-duty hooks for your coats or a sleek shelf for photos, one of these will help fix your entryway mess. I've dropped links to all 5 in the description below so you can check the current prices and see more reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.